Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Review. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has a pretty ambitious mission: take smartphone photography to the next level with its massive 200 megapixels camera, and take down the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Google Pixel 7 Pro in the process. Yes, this handset could very well become the best Android phone, but the ultimate goal is to win the best camera phone crown. So what can you do with 200 megapixels? The sensor can combine 16 pixels into one for brighter, more detailed shots, or you can shoot in full 200 megapixels mode, which gives you a lot more freedom when it comes to cropping in and reframing your pics. Other Galaxy S23 Ultra upgrades include a sharper 12 megapixels front camera, an exclusive new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip made for Galaxy that promises very fast performance, and a flatter display that's optimized for S Pen use. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra specs. Price $1,199. Display 6.8-inch QHD AMOLED. Refresh rate 120 Hz adaptive. Rear cameras 200 megapixels main, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, 10 megapixels 3x telephoto, 10 megapixels 10x telephoto.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I knew.
It has a built-in S Pen holster, just like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but the 2023 model has flatter surfaces, and the screen's side edges are not wrapping around the edges as much as they did in previous years. Although the Galaxy S23 Ultra looks almost like its predecessor, Samsung focused on improving several hardware aspects, from camera to raw hardware, and the 2023 Ultra model is a different beast. If you want to buy Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, you can go for it. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, then give a like and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe.